do it the tall way. But this is our room. Like, as you walk in, there's a little mirror. That's me. Hey. So you walk, 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 walk. There's like a entertainment system and TV and drawers and stuff and a desk. And I'll wait until last to show you the view. But there's like a little seating area and the bed and dun, 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 like a jacuzzi tub. And there's 2 closets. I guess you could say like a his and hers. And then a vanity, the bathroom. Not really much to it, but look at the shower. Like, I could literally walk through it. Isn't this cool? I'm walking through the shower to another vanity and like a little makeup area. And then back out to our view. We're like on the 65th floor, which, I mean, I feel like it's pretty high, but that's our view. And over there in the corner where you see the water is the Bellagio. They always have like really cool fountain shows.